Ready, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, the address of the Governor has received praise from the government benches and criticism from the opposition benches. Stop. I would like to make a few observations on the address. Stop. We expected that in the address there would be a mention of the policy and program of work which the government proposed to carry out during the ensuing year. Stop. I am sorry that the address is silent on the matter. Stop. However, there is one thing which is interesting, and that is the desire on the part of the ministers to get useful suggestions from honorable members of this house. Stop. I find that since yesterday members have been making useful suggestions. Stop. But I do not know if the honorable ministers concerned are present here to take note of the suggestions, perhaps with the exception of a few like the Minister for Local Administration and the Finance Minister. Stop. I know the Finance Minister is present for the purpose of taking notes so that he may be able to answer any criticisms that may be made against the government. Stop. But he may not be taking note of the suggestions made by the honorable members for implementation at a later stage. Stop. There are two words in the governor's address, namely, inverted commas begin, welfare administration, inverted commas closed. Stop. Welfare administration means the existence of a welfare state. Stop. It is the desire of everyone that a democratic welfare state should be established. Stop. It means that there will be peace in plenty, that there will be no unemployment, that illiteracy will be eradicated, that the government will take care of the old and the infirm, and that the amenities which are now enjoyed by only a few rich people will be made available even to the common man. Stop. I think that this is the ideal for which we are now striving. Stop. The question now arises as to what steps the government have taken to establish a welfare state. Stop. Reference has been made in the address to the community projects and National Extension Service. Stop. In this connection, I would submit that the result of these schemes depend largely on the capacity of the people to contribute to the works which are undertaken by the government. Stop. If we go into this matter, we will find that the capacity of the common man in this regard is nil. Stop. So, if we are asked whether the schemes have been a success with reference to the common man, we can only say within inverted commas, no. Stop. It is said that the advantage that may be gained by these schemes goes only to the richer classes of people